Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to learn a very important and interesting topic in Excel is data validation. What is data validation? Data validation means controlling what a person can type into a cell. Think about security guard. A security guard at the door, what he does, he checks whether the entry is allowed or not. To explain this concept, let's have a small example. In your preschool admission sheet, you want the age column to only accept numbers between 2 to 6 years. Now you know that for the admission criteria for any preschool, the kid's age should be between 2 to 6 years. It's a universal fact. Now enter the age. Now if I type anything, it will accept. Currently the cell is accepting values. Now, how to create data validation to accept only age between 2 to 6 years. The first step, select the cell, go to data validation. Validation criteria, allow. I am choosing whole number, maximum. Minimum is 2, maximum is 6. Okay. Now, if I enter value less than 2, not accepting. If I enter value greater than 8, not accepting. It will accept the value between 2 and 6. Now I'll type 2, it will accept. If I type 4, it will accept. So data validation ensures if someone tries to type A, Excel stop them. Only 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are accepted. So why we are using data validation in Excel? It helps us to prevent mistakes while data entry. Thank you.